Hi friends, good evening. My name is Sachit and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about Boolean in Python. So how many ways we can use Boolean data type. So all these things we will discuss in this class. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So you can see my idle here. So first we have to create the file. Let's save it as go to the documents and go to the Python programs, open it, and here save it as boolean dot py. So it is saved as boolean dot py. So so for example, I'll write print 100 is greater than 45. For example, I'm writing like this. So what I have written, print 100 is greater than 45. What it will return? It will return true because 100 is greater than 45. See, we got we got the true. We got true. And for example, print 100 is equal to 67. So what it will print? Is 100 is equal to 67? No, right? So then it will print false. Just click on F5 and click on OK. Then you will get false. You will get false. And likewise, we'll be having 24 less than 65. Yes, it's less than. Yes, we'll get true. We will get true. So in this way, we can we can use the Boolean data type. So it is for the simple uh like if we are comparing whether that statement is correct or not. We'll tell true or false. Now I will take some variables here. A is equal to 23 and B is equal to 47. B is equal to 47. So we know I will write some code here. Like A is greater than B. A is greater than B. So we got some space, right? This space is called indentation. So here we'll write print A is greater than B. And you have to go back and here you have to write else and uh, write colon, then you will get the indentation and right here B is greater than A. So in this way we can specify the true or false in Python. For example, A is greater than, right? If A is greater, then this statement will be the output. And if B is greater, then this statement will be greater. This statement will be greater. Just click on F5 and click on OK. So in this way, B is greater than A. So it is telling this condition is telling true or false. This condition is telling true or false, right? This condition, yes, A is less than B. So A is less than B. So that's why it is telling false here. It is telling false here. Here it will telling false here. It is false. It's telling false here. It's telling false here. So indirectly this condition will telling the false. So that's why the statement is executing. So in this condition also this Boolean data type is working. This Boolean data type is working. So I hope you understand. the simple example, and we are having lots of examples. For example, if you write print bool of Iron Man, Iron Man, Iron Man, Iron Man. So what you'll get? You'll get true. You'll get true. And if you specify a number, any number, it is also a true. It will also give default true. See, we got true. We got true. So we are having some more examples. So in this way also we can specify the true or false, like Boolean. It's a Boolean data type. And we are having different variables. So for example, if you write bool of A, B, C, A, B, C. So bool of A, B, C. Click on OK. Sorry. So anyway, anyway, it will give true. Anyway, it will give true. So in this same way, we'll be having three different things. It will give one thing is string, another thing is integers, and another thing is we can specify the array also. We can specify the array also. For example, if I write like this, here I will specify some apple, banana, orange. So in this way we can specify it. In this way we can specify it. And click on it, then you'll get all the things are true. So Boolean will return all the like array, numbers, strings will return true. And we are having some statements which returns false also. We will see those statements. So for example, you'll write if bool false. If you write bool false, automatically it will return false. It will return false. See, right? It is returning false. And we are having, for example, I will just copy this. Here I will specify none. And here I'll specify 0. So all these things will return false. All these things will return false. And if you specify any square brackets or flower brackets, anything, it will return false. It will return false. See, it will return false. Click on F and click on OK. See, all the things are false. All the things are false. So these are the things which will give you the false. So it will these are things which will give false as the output. And we are having some more examples. So for example, now I will write a variable. Now I will write a variable called value. So value is equal to, so I will write class. I will write class as the method, class as the method. So I will just print it. I will just print the bool of bool of value, bool of value. So now I will write the class function. Now I'll write the class function. So class class and class name, which is class, which is class, and I'll type indentation. Then you'll get some space here, and this is called indentation. And you have to specify def, and I will write some len underscore len, and here I'll write self, and I will again give indentation, and here I will return 0. Here I will return 0, which means this function will return 0. So anything which returns 0, what you will get? The output will get false. Just run it. So for example, I'll give class name as my class. You can write my class. Click on OK. See, we got true. We got true. So anything which return 0, you will get true. Anything which we return 0, sorry, we are returning 0, right? So it has to give the true, right? It has to give the true. So anything which returns 0, for example, here we are getting false, right? Here we are getting false. But here, if we return 0, then we will get true. Then we will get true. So I hope you understand. If we print 0 like this, then you will get false. And if you return 0, then you will get true. Then you will get true. So I hope you understand this function example. And we are having some more examples. We are having some more examples. So I'll just, okay. Just I will write, for example, I will write def my function. So it will return true here, it will return true. And for example, if I print my function, so what it will return? It will return true. Anyway, it will return true. Click on OK. See, we are getting true. We are getting true. So anything which returns true also will get true. Anything which returns 0 also, it will give true. And if you print 0 as by using print function, then you will get false. Then you will get false. Then you'll get false. And we are having another method which is instance. Another method of having is instance. For example, I'm giving x is equal to, I think we have declared this the x. No, we did not declare. For example, I'm giving x value as 1000, and it will check is instance will check whether that x is a integer or not. It's an integer, right? It is an integer. So it will give true. It will give true. See, I got true. I got true. So anything, so 0, if you print like this, you'll get false. And if you return like this, you'll get true. And if you return true, you'll get true. You'll get true. So I hope you understand how to use Boolean. So these are the different types we can use Boolean. So I hope you understand, and if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, Just please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.